Welcome to 18 Myrona Avenue, Glen, Osmond, an absolutely gorgeous and expansive family residence on approximately 1,033 square metres in such a prime location. Crafted by Allan Sheppard, this large home boasting over 300 square metres exudes grandeur. Enjoying extensive renovations, this property epitomises the perfect lifestyle residence. Flexibility is key to a modern lifestyle, and this home delivers with multiple living rooms, an office or study, open plan living and stunning kitchen with butler's pantry plus generous accommodation. Living in Glen Osmond offers a myriad of reasons to fall in love with the location. Conveniently close to the CBD, for those who enjoy shopping, Glen Osmond is in close proximity to major shopping precincts such as Burnside Village, Frueville and Glenunga shopping centres. When it comes to education, Glen Osmond provides an array of options. Zoning includes Glen Osmond and Linden Park primary schools, as well as Glenunga International High School. For those seeking a private education, prestigious institutions like Seymour College, Loreto College, Mercedes and Scotch are all easily accessible. For those who have been looking, you will know how rare premium homes are that offer 300 plus square metres of living on a block of 1,033 square metres approximately, with beautifully presented, flexible living and accommodation offerings. We expect this home will have very broad appeal, and we look forward to meeting you at one of our open inspections. Thank you for your time today. I'm Angela Steniford from Owens Casserly Real Estate.